everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, here I'm going to talk about an interesting topic inside Helpdesk module. So you all have a curious thought about that because most of the companies treat support tickets as the cost, right? But smart business know they're actually the hidden sales opportunity. So how it happens? Yeah, let me show you. In this video, I'll show you how Odoo 19 helps you to turn a simple Helpdesk ticket into a qualified opportunity for your sales team to achieve more sales. Okay, for that, just let's head over to the Helpdesk module inside Odoo 19, and here we have the dashboard, right? So here we are going to create a new ticket inside the Helpdesk module. For that, just head over to the all ticket or my tickets. You can simply create a new one by clicking on the option which is new. And there you will get the creation format, and here you need to set up all the configure options. So here I'm using an example as the customer actually requests you to upgrade to a premium support plan. Okay, so let's give the ticket name which is upgrade to premium support plan. So once you are done with that, there we have the Helpdesk team. So you can simply choose the Helpdesk team, whether it's a customer care, IT support. So here it is a customer care. And there we have the assign it to. So you can simply assign this to Michelle admin or Mark demo or something else. Here I'm going to assign this to Mark demo. And you can simply give this as a high priority because of what? This is actually this particular ticket having chance to, or it is basically triggering to convert this particular ticket into an opportunity. Like this is a ticket for upgrade to premium support plan. So maybe, the customer is satisfied and they can simply upgrade a premium plan about their particular, current one. So here we can simply give an high priority because it's an urgent thing and there we have a high chance of sales opportunity. So let's give this a high priority, and once you're done with that, there we have the tags. So we can simply provide a tags to easy identification. So let it be a service, and there we have the customer. So we need to mention who's our customer. So as your interior is basically our customer, and there we have the phone number and other details, which means as your interior is already saved, customer inside our DB. So there we have the description and extra information. So under the description tab, you can simply provide what is the actual request of the customer. So here I'm going to give the client reported frequent system slowdown and contacted support asking if upgrading to the premium support plan would give them faster response time and dedicated assistant. So here I'm going to give that. Okay, here I'm done with that. So if you have any screenshot or something about this, you can simply provide that. Okay, here I'm done with the upgradation. And there we have the extra information and everything. So if you want to give any particular information regarding this particular or this ticket, you can simply provide all such things inside the description box. Once you're done with that, here we have an option to convert this particular ticket into an opportunity. For that, just click on this option and you will get a wizard like this, which means there we have the customer. Under the customer, there we have create a new customer, link to an existing customer, to not link to an existing customer. So if this is the particular or new customer, you can simply click or check on the option create a new customer, or this is an existing customer or you want to link to an existing customer, you can check on there, or you can simply provide that this is not a linking for a particular customer. And there we have the customer and the sales team. So you can assign this to our sales team. Once we assign this to our Helpdesk team, and you can simply assign this to our sales team. Here we have the sales team, which is sales, kiosk sales team, pre-sales team, point of sale and website. So here it is pre-sales team. And once more, you can simply assign this to our salesperson. So let me assign this to salesperson, which is Michelle admin. And let's convert this to an opportunity. So here we are in the CRM dashboard. So without switching into each other app, this is automatically giving a switch to the CRM app from the ticket, Helpdesk module. So you can simply, basically Odoo is integrated. So you don't want to manually go to the module and you need to create one more time what are the things that you are provided, which means the information of your company, customer or something else. You don't want to do anything like that. You can simply click on an option which is convert into an opportunity inside the ticket module. Sorry, not ticket module. Inside a ticket, inside a helpdesk module. So it will be converting every kind of detail into a CRM. So here we have the creation form of an opportunity. So there you can find what is the name of opportunity, expected run, new, probability, which means we have already know about all the information about our customers. So there we have a high probability to convert this particular opportunity into warm lead or something like that. Not warm lead, a one opportunity, and we have the notes, contact, assign partners. From here itself, you can simply do whatever you need, and you can simply create a quotation. If this one, you can simply go with rental. You can move this to a one, enrich, lost, or something else. Okay. So that's how you can simply create an opportunity while you're creating a ticket. Okay. So that's how simply you can do. I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.